Hi everyone, my name is Jocelyn and I'm doing inference for a single proportion, and the problem I chose is chapter 9, number 68. So the first part of the problem asks to check that the assumptions and conditions are met for the inference on proportions. So the assumptions are that the values must be independent of each other and the sample size must be large enough, so we can assume those things. And the conditions we need to check for are first randomization, and it states in the problem that it is a random sample, so we can check off that condition. The next condition is the 10% condition, which states that our sample size has to be at most 10% of the population. And since we know the population is all Americans, then we definitely know that 703 is less than 10%. So we can check off that condition. And the next one is the success and failure condition. So how you check for successes is you take the total sample and you multiply it by the proportion. And then we get 91 for successes, which is larger than 10. So we can check off successes. And for failures, we know that the total sample size is 703. So you subtract that from your successes to get 612, which we also know is larger than 10. So they both check off. The next part of the problem asks to find a 95% confidence interval for the true proportion of all U.S. internet users who are less likely to buy CDs. So after you plug it into JUMP, the output you get for the lower confidence interval is 0.1071, and for the upper interval you get 0.1568. So our conclusion can be that we are 95% confident that the proportion of U.S. internet users who are less likely to buy a CD is between 0.1071 and 0.1668. Thank you.